Yeah, hello, good night.
Good night.
Yeah, man, a junior this?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I call you for tell you this is Patrick, you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the house where you and the grandfather, you know, we're not going to need to come out because the house sell, you know.
Come to me again. How would it
The house where you in, you and the old man, we're not going to need to come out of Patrick this.
Which Patrick?
I buy the house, Spanish town I come from, the house from John's Road.
The house from John's Road?
Yeah, where you in, you and the old man, you and the elder there.
So you tell the people and place?
Then them sell me.
They know you fi call me and tell me to come out. They not fi come tell me that.
So brother, they not sell me house. They say them a call you and like your block your number, you know.
Now, fi black number, me no know nothing about this thing and nothing where I go on with the house.
You look like say you find out and you block your people them, you know, Junior. You understand me? And the people then can't get to you.
Hold on there. The house from John's Road and there with my father, you know.
Yeah.
But me not black nobody no Jesus Christ, how me saw some man.
You understand me?
Yeah. But, alright, man. Boy, you know.
You hear me, Junior?
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah, man, me alright, man.
Oh, you don't recognize my voice. A Patrick. You see how people can a joke me and make with you a Patrick. You don't recognize my voice.
But me no remember how name Patrick. Me say right now, sit down and go sit down for me week to Jesus Christ.
A joke, man.
I don't know nothing born up there. Me say God no ball.
A ball out for ball.
Yeah.
John
what
Junior.
Junior. For me again, God no. I be a problem. Don't look up, call me again. I'm fooling, you know. And you know my heart no good.
Oh, your heart no good.
No.
John was.
Jesus Christ.
Oh God, Junior, man. John was. A Patrick, my from Spain town, man.
Patrick.
Yeah. Like you don't know remember. You don't remember me?
God no, I can't remember his voice. Who's Patrick?
Hold on, somebody show. Hold on them, my friend. Hold on there, Junior. Somebody show me. I'm short to work. Tell them pitney are wicked. Why you want to kill off your father and your grandfather? Poor Junior. You. Wicked. You're a wicked little pitney. You.